Hi y'all, welcome back to my shop for another wood turning tip. Jimmy Mead, one of our viewers, asked me how I grind a bead tool out of a spindle gouge. He must have seen that in an earlier video. Let me show you a close-up of the profile, and I'll show you how I do that. I'm using an old wore-out spindle gouge. It's not useful for anything else. I'm using my coarse grit wheel. I've set the platform to approximately 45 degrees. I'm not sure that the angle makes a great deal of difference. And you just hold it in place until you grind it flat straight across. You don't twist it or turn it. You just keep grinding it straight across. And we'll speed this up just a little bit. Tool's getting a little bit hot, so I think I'll let it cool down a little bit. A little warm to hold. It's hard to damage high-speed steel on a grinder. I suppose it can be done, but it's not easy. But it's just getting a little uncomfortable. So let me cool down and start again. Here's my two Harbor Freight reground spindle gouges. They weren't useful for anything else. This one is a 1/4 inch, and this one is 3/8 inch, and this one that I just did is 3/8 inch. Now this one, as I measured these, it was almost about 53 degrees angle. On this one, actually, it was closer to 40 degrees, the one I just finished with. So let's put this in the handle and let's see how it works out. Okay, I've got a cylinder turned out of what seemed to turn as fairly soft wood. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So we're going to lay this flat on this edge right here, and we're just going to work it back and forth. Just a rocking motion, and there we are. Let me give you another view of that. Alright, let's try that again right next to it. Lay this down on the flats, on the tool rest. Just lift the handle and then just rock it back and forth. And there you go. Okay, so there's something you can do with a wore-out spindle gouge. Turn it into a beading tool. I don't think a bowl gouge would work. Hope this is interesting to you. If it's useful, feel free to subscribe. Y'all stay safe. Come back here.